Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Samsung Galaxy A04s. To do this, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, try to find the Notify body. Select it and click on Install. When the process is finished, you'll be able to open the app and move to the next step. Here, grant 3 permissions for the Notify body. You can also disable the battery optimization. I'm actually gonna skip it, and let's proceed. From here, the app should be ready, and you can see 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User, you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System, there's all apps that are bound to your system. In Active, there's all apps that you've just activated, and for the settings, you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape, placement on the screen. Now let's click on the Test button, and right here we can see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.